Hello guys, I welcome you to my YouTube channel Free Code and Tech. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to run Dart file or Dart application in a text editor VS Code. I think that you are going to practice Dart programming in VS Code in offline. So let's see how to execute Hello World. First one, we have to open VS Code. After opening VS Code, first of all, we have to create a Dart file. To create Dart file, go to View and go to Command Plate. And as we are going to practice Dart programming, just click Dart New Project. And then Simple Console Application. Just click on it. And here, where we want to save this project, I want to save this project on desktop. I want to create a new folder in desktop and give it to name Dart programming. And inside of this folder, I want to save this project with Dart programming. Create the project in, just click on it. I want to rename this file with Dart programming. You can give here any name, no problem. After rename it, just press enter. We can see PubGet is running. And then we want to go bin folder. Just click on it. And here we can see the file is created. And then after clicking this, we can see the whole structure has been created. Now the file is ready to execute. When we will see a play button, then we will be able to execute Hello World. So here we have to wait a little bit as well PubGet running. After completing this, we will see here a display button. Then we will able to debugging. You can delete of this, no problem. Okay, we can see the play button has been displaying. So if we click here, we can see we have able to execute Hello World. Then we can see execute Hello World. That's the way we can execute anything in Dart file. If we write here another Dart programming, and click debugging, we can see execute Dart programming. This way we can practice Dart programming. So dear guys, I have tried to show you how to create Dart file and how to execute anything in your text editor. Next tutorial I will show you basic concept of Dart programming, and I will try to give you the basic concept of Dart programming. These are what is properties, what is method, what is function, what is list, what is map, what is instance, etc. Till then, be well and try to subscribe my channel for getting first video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like, share with your friends.